Okay, here we go. We're going to have a quick lesson in how to make an odor neutralizer. Okay, I've known about this for a while. Usually I stick with my cat urine mix, which is usually the vinegar and baking soda, and then also my bleach mop over at the end. But let's say you got something worse, and I did have something worse just come up. What had happened is my aunt's shed had to be cleaned out and basically cleaned, and we didn't know why or how bad it was, but once we got there, it's a 30 by 12 unit, quite large, and it took 4 mixes of this batch here. You're going to see how to make it, to sanitize and well, not really sanitize, to deodorize the shed. The shed had 1 skunk and a bunch of baby skunks living in it, plus a myriad of cats that peed all over the walls. So you had skunk smell, you had cat urine smell. Once you opened up the door on the shed, it was bad. So once we got everything out of there, it still stunk. So I had to go back to my old grandpa's method of how to really kill a smell. This is it right here. So first, what you're going to do is you're going to get 1 quart of hydrogen peroxide. Okay? And you're going to pour that into your bucket. One quart of hydrogen peroxide. A 1/4 cup of baking soda. Quarter cup of baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, baking soda. Okay, put that somewhere in the screen where you can see it, know what's happening still. Then 1 teaspoon of dishwashing soap. There we go. I use Dawn here. Okay, then you're going to stir it up. You can see in there, it's all mixing up. And you can see why it took 4 batches to make, because it doesn't make a lot, but it's very good. It'll neutralize the odor of a skunk. It definitely neutralizes the smell of urine. It neutralizes the smells of many things. We even use it on my son's car with a wet rag doused in this stuff here. Just rubbed it on his seats, and his car smells fresh. So anyway, once you mix it all up nice and good, once again you will put some gloves on, because everybody always complains I never use gloves. So get your gloves on, and I used a rag and also a little scrubby brush for some areas that need to be scrubbed in the corners. And we did that shed, and once it dried, it smelled clean. You didn't smell the skunk, you didn't smell the urine. It was all gone, and it was all done, once again, 1 quart of hydrogen peroxide, a 1/4 cup of baking soda, okay, and 1 teaspoon of Dawn. Okay, mix it up, use a rag and a scrub brush, and go to town. Works on floors too, works on anything that stinks that I've seen so far, because it works for me. And my grandfather's used this for years. Okay, so little secret just to you. Enjoy, God bless, good luck, works for me.